we are learning about to and so that. There are two different rules for to and so that. Okay, the first one is subject plus helping verb plus to plus adjective plus to plus v1 plus other word. The second one is subject plus helping verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus sentence. Sentence means what does mean of sentence? Subject plus helping verb plus object. Okay, we have a question. He is so weak that he cannot run. The question is what? Rewrite the sentence using to. Then what would be the answer? Answer is that what? Replace to in the place of so. Then what? That. In the place of that you write to. Look, he is so. Okay, this one is wrong. Is so. Write so in the place of to. Okay, write to in the place of so. To. Weak. What? Weak. That. Write to in the place of that. To. Okay, then he cannot run. What to says? After to we have to use v1. You find v1 where it is? He, it is verb. He, it is verb.
Yes, sir.
No. Can?
Yes, sir.
It.
No, sir.
Not?
No, sir.
Run?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you write run. This is the answer. How easy is this? Only what we did? Only we change so to and that to. Okay, take the next question. Don't write. We have the another question. Question is they are so tired that they cannot come. What the question we have? Rewrite the sentence using to. So what we have to do? Remove so you write to. Remove that you write to. Okay, they are so के जगह में हमने क्या लिखा? टू. टायर्ड. दैट की जगह में क्या जाएगा? टू. देन व्हाट टू आफ्टर v1? then v1 is where? Come. That is the answer. How easy is this?
Yes, sir.
Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
We have another question. What is the question? He is too poor to buy a car. The question is what? Rewrite the sentence using so that. Just opposite. What we did? We changed the sentence into to. No, we changed the sentence into to. Now we have to change so that. So what we do? We have to do this. Just do the same. What we just did. Like what? He is so poor to that. Okay, that what? Sentence. That after that we have to write sentence. Sentence means what? Subject, helping verb and object. Okay, take a subject from this. He. Helping verb can is always helping verb if you find is. Okay, if you find in a sentence, in first sentence is, the helping verb would be what? Can. So can. Use not yourself. Not. Buy a car. Then verb, helping verb, subject, helping verb. So verb is what?
Buy.
Look here. Verb is what? Buy. So buy a car. Very easy.
Yes, sir.
The another question is what? Sachin is too sick to walk. Change into so that. Then what we have to do? Sachin is use so in the place of to. So sick. Use that in the place of to. That. After that what we have to do? Subject plus helping verb plus object. Then where is subject? Subject is here. Then what we do? If you speak rewrite the Sachin, then Sachin is he. Means what? यदि सचिन को दोबारा आप बोलना चाहो तो हमारे लिए ही बन जाएगा। सचिन एक अच्छा लड़का है, वह क्रिकेट खेलता है। क्या बोलोगे आप? सचिन एक अच्छा लड़का है, सचिन क्रिकेट खेलता है, कि सचिन एक अच्छा लड़का है, वह क्रिकेट खेलता है? व्हाट इज राइट? वह क्रिकेट खेलता है। देन सचिन इज व्हाट? ही। कैन, if you find is, the helping verb is can. If you find was here, the helping verb would be could. No, could. Was, could, is, can. Not, you can write yourself, not. Why we use not here? Because of in the to it always become negative sentence. To it always is negative sentence. That's why we are writing here not. Here is not any not word, but we have to write because of to is always represent that I am a negative sentence. But you can make so that positive and negative both ways. What we can make? So that positive way and negative way, but we can't make to in positive ways. We can't make it positive. It is always in negative sense. So he cannot walk. The both rule is very simple. What we have to do? Only we have to change to and so, to in the place of so, or so in the place of to. Then what? To in the place of that, and that in the place of to. And we do not have to do any other thing. Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Can you make in if you find this question in your exam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?